In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Lovable project. This process can be straightforward, but let's take it step by step to ensure you understand each part clearly and make the process smooth and efficient. To begin with, you need to navigate to the section where you can view all your projects. This usually involves accessing the dashboard or the main interface of your project management tool. It serves as a central hub where all your current, past, and pending projects are displayed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable with it. Understanding this interface will make navigating to your desired project quick and easy. Once you're on the All Projects page, the next step is to identify the specific project you wish to deploy. Take your time to look through the list and ensure you select the correct one. It's important not to rush this step to avoid any accidental misclicks, which could lead to deploying the wrong project. Precision at this stage will save you from unnecessary hassle later on. After locating your desired project, click on it. By doing this, you'll access the detailed view of the project, which should display various options and settings specific to the project. You may find details such as project specifications, timelines, or resource allocations here. It's a great way to ensure all your project details are double-checked and in order before moving forward with the deployment. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the right side of the interface, where you'll find an option labeled Sleazy Publish. This is the crucial button for deploying your project. When you're ready, click on Sleazy Publish. It's the command that initiates the deployment process, and by doing so, you're effectively telling the system to begin the publishing or deployment of the project. Remember, this action might have a few prompts or confirmations to proceed, so follow any on-screen instructions carefully. As a tip, ensure that all your previous changes are saved and that you've backed up any important data before initiating the deployment. This is just a precaution to prevent data loss. And there you have it. You've now successfully deployed your Lovable project. Deployments can sometimes take a few moments to finish, so be patient as the system works its magic. Once complete, your project will be live, accessible, and ready for whatever comes next. I hope you found this guide useful and that it makes your future project deployments just that bit easier.